What are you doing, you nut? What are you doing? You're just being a weirdo. What are they doing, Sundance? What are you doing? Are you happy I'm home? Are you happy I'm home? Huh? What are you doing running around? What? Get back here! She is out of her mind. Sundance, what is she doing? Doris. Doris. What is she doing? They're running around like crazy over there. What are you guys doing? Shall I enter into the chamber of death? Stop it! Stop it, be nice! I'm sure I can get away. What are you doing? What are you being a weirdo for? Come here. Come here. Come see me. Come here, come see me. Come see me. Come see me. Come see me. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. They are overjoyed. Because I gave them apples. Poor things haven't had apples in dang near 5 weeks. Doris, what are they doing? Huh? What are you doing? Being a weirdo. Come here. Come see me. They're crazy. They're crazy.